Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. How are you all doing today? I truly hope you all are doing very well. So guys, in this brand new video, I am going to perform a live trading session for you, okay? We will pay close attention to several important things in this video, which you will soon understand. I will show you exactly how I execute each trade and the specific way I trade here. I'm going to show you my very own personal analysis in great detail, okay? So guys, as you can clearly see right here, from here, the market has moved upwards, and from here, a pretty strong level is supporting us. All right, okay. If I carefully set this up according to the wick right here, then we can easily place it down in this spot. All right, guys, so I have just placed a trade right here for a downward move. The specific reason for placing this downward trade is that the current scenario here is that our box has closed just slightly below it. If the market had actually closed just a little bit above that level, then there was a very strong chance that we could have gone for a call option here as well. But I think that according to our scenario here, the market should break downward and our level should be broken to the downside, because here we have a very strong level. There is significant selling pressure and the selling zone is quite strong. I feel that forming a red candle here is easier than a green candle. Still, anything can happen because it's the market. There are fluctuations and volatility. And whenever we trade, there are always proper chances of losses. Losses are an inherent possibility. It's not like losses can't occur here. No matter what strategy you use or whatever you apply to the charts, you can still incur losses here. Alright, so just like we often say that in life, as we go about living our lives, happiness naturally flows into our experiences, right? We experience moments of great happiness, we experience flashes of anger, and in that very same way, whenever happiness comes, sadness also inevitably follows. So, if we were to call sadness something useless or inherently bad, that is simply not right. Sadness is also a vital part. It is a fundamental part of the human experience. Just like if we want to grow in something specific, if someone truly wants to achieve a great goal and happens to fail, then you really have to consider that failure as an essential part of the overall process. Because failure is also an integral component of your ultimate success, so you truly need to understand and embrace that. Okay, so now again, I am going to present another trade opportunity right here. Okay guys, so right now we are going for trades in the upward direction. I have placed two trades here for the upward direction, guys, because you can see that according to our level, a red candle had formed, but the market should have gone further down. However, the market showed no interest in going down, right? There is no interest in going in the downward direction here, which is why this green candle formed. And another thing, what else is there? Our level here, the level we had, has been broken out, right? So a breakout means that the market wants to go in the upward direction, guys. Okay, so here I will mark a level up to which the market might try to go. So this is a level the market clearly wants to go and touch, that particular level. So the market has broken through the level and now it is creating a green candle. Okay, so guys, let's watch this. You can see here that we placed two trades, actually three trades, because this time we placed two trades on this one candle and our previous trade was placed on this one. So whenever we understood things here, the market gave a breakout at this point. Then I placed a trade right here, so we had one positive trend. However, it's not that things are always going to be positive, it can certainly be negative also. So whenever you decide to trade in these markets, you should know very well that there are significant losses here too. There is no such thing in the world of trading that will magically make you rich overnight. Nothing like that ever happens, guys. And again, I really want to emphasize that I am not a professional financial advisor. I am absolutely not recommending that you get into trading yourself because trading can be very risky and volatile. If you want to get into trading, you can do so at your own personal discretion, only if your capital is affordable to lose, because there are substantial losses here as well. It's not just about making a profit, there are losses too. So please keep this in mind before getting into trading. If anyone tells you to take this specific trade or that trade, you should definitely not take it at face value without doing your own research. When you take a trade yourself and incur a loss, you actually learn something valuable from it. But if someone else causes you to lose your money, that is a very bad thing. Okay guys, so you really need to keep this important point in mind. If you want to get into the world of trading, you have to be self-reliant. You need to learn and move forward based on your own learning and experience. Then you can truly become something successful in trading over time. So that is all for this video guys. I hope it helped. I have tried to explain things to you here, and if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you can connect with us on Telegram right now. I have provided the direct link in the description below. You can join our official Telegram channel from there, okay guys? And whatever new courses I am going to bring in the future, which we will upload on YouTube, all of those future courses will be available right here on YouTube. Alright, and a lot of people were also asking about paid courses. So guys, I just want to say that there are no paid courses for now, okay? But in the future, I can't say for sure. If you want, I can manage that as well, alright? However, as you may have noticed, I have other videos as well, and you'll find even more knowledge in those than in paid courses. So it's not like that. There's nothing special you'll get from a paid course. It's not as if you'll study something and immediately start trading successfully. However, it's true that just like you're watching YouTube videos, you watch one video, then another, then a third, whereas in a course, things are dedicated and structured. Whenever you invest your money into a product, you naturally feel that it carries a significant amount of value. But when you get that exact same content for free on YouTube, you often fail to appreciate it at that very same level. Alright, I'm not saying that paid courses don't have anything valuable to offer. They often have quite a lot. The biggest interpretation is simply that we believe in them. When we invest in paid courses, we feel like there's something substantial there, and that mindset actually works because our mind tells us that it will work for our goals. So guys, that is all I have for you in this video today. I hope you found these insights helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.